In this video, we're going to show you how you can connect your Freshchat account towards your UChat workspace. From the left-hand menu, go towards Integrations, then scroll down until you see the Live Chat Support section and press Freshchat. From here, you will see that we need three pieces of information: the domain, the app ID, and the API key. In order to find those, let's log in towards Freshchat. Let's go towards the gear icon, then Admin Settings. For the domain, we need to go and search for the App Settings section. And then choose Mobile App for Chat. Inside, we will have our domain ID. We can just copy this, go back towards UChat, insert HTTPS, and then paste the domain ID. Next up will be the app ID, which you will find if we go back towards admin settings under the chat widget settings. Then go towards integration settings, and from here copy your app ID. Let's head back towards UChat and fill that in as well. Last but not least, we also need the API key. We can find that by going back towards admin settings, search for API settings near the bottom of the options overview, confirm you're not a robot, and now you will be able to basically copy your API key. If you're a new-time user, then you might need to generate an API key. Just copy, go back towards UChat and paste. If we press save, we should get a verified status. There we go. The last section will be to copy this webhook URL and put that inside the webhook settings of Freshchat. If we go back towards the admin settings, scroll down towards the API section, we can then go for webhooks for chat. From here, I already have it enabled, but you most likely will need to switch it on and input the webhook. Any failure notifications can be sent to any email of your preference. And then if we press save, we will get this authentication that will be added towards the header of this webhook every time a message has been sent. One last option remains, and that is the change of channel ID once you have verified your connection with Freshchat. If you press this, you might have the wrong channel ID enabled. As you can see, for us, we have three different kinds of channels: appointments, chat with us, and inquiry. And you need to select the correct one. Do note, when you change the channels, it also might affect any existing bot users. Just select the channel of preference, press save, and you have now successfully created your connection with Freshchat.